Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to this YouTube channel in 2022. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you all had very good Christmas with your family, good New Year's Eve. I just wanted to give an update, as I always do it on the end of the year or the beginning of the year, to talk about what's the plan for this channel, or what is the plan this year. So since Portugal, I haven't uploaded any video because I was very busy with the new project I work on right now. And we work on that and we really hyped and pumped to release that as soon as we can, but of course we still need to work on that a little bit. My goal for the last couple of weeks or months was always to come back to our normal routine that we have live stream every Wednesday. So we will start next week on Wednesday with new live streams. So I try that we're going to have a live stream every Wednesday in the evening as we had it before, where we either do any practice pieces or we do live demonstrations. That's for the live streams. For everything else, so right now I'm very busy. That was also the reason why I couldn't upload anything, because I was doing the project, I also have my studio job, and on top of that I also have my mentorship program, which takes a lot of time right now. I still have a couple spots left, but I'm almost full with mentees. So that was also the reason why I was just not able to produce any more content for you. But I thought it would be important to just talk with you and share it with you, that you are not think I'm lost or I stopped doing any production for this channel. No, it was also good because I could have a little bit of distance to the channel, but at the end I was always thinking about what can we do next, what can we do for 2022, and I'm super excited for 2022. And I think that also the new project will dictate a little bit the direction for the channel. But besides that, I also need your help, because I want to know what you think, what you want to see, what you want to know. So below this video in the commentary section, I will write, what do you want to see in 2022? And you can write below that topics, ideas, things you want to know. I know this also was already asked for the video on how to work with the how to draw and how to render book. That's also still my back hat. I know we didn't reach the 300 likes there. I might can think about that to even do that. Or you can acquire just, I don't know, 100 more people to put the like button up, and then I definitely going to do that. I also geared up a little bit. So I bought a complete new camera, I bought new microphone, new setup, new lights, everything for you guys, and of course for this channel, because I wanted to just make this channel better. I wanted to push the quality up. I wanted to have better videos, better educational videos, and I spent a lot of time and all my free time basically on thinking, planning and doing. So I'm very thankful for all the messages, for everyone who is still interested in asking about when comes new content. Just be a little bit more patient, please, because I'm still doing that and I'm just trying to figure out what's next, because I don't want to repeat the same topic all over again, you know? So if you appreciate all the time and effort I spent, the only thing you can do, give it a thumbs up or share it with your friends, or tell a friend about this channel that they subscribe, or bring them to the ArtZone community. Okay, I'm also very thankful for all the people who participated in the ArtZone Community Challenge and also in the ArtZone itself. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we have an ArtZone on Discord. It's our own art community. There's a button on the YouTube banner. You can click that and join the ArtZone community. And I'm again very thankful for all the people who participated, who share their work on a daily basis, who have conversations, who help other people's. We have people who wanted to take brainstorm classes, and people ask them and then people give answers. So I'm so happy and so thankful for everyone who just participate, shares and take their time to help others, because that's what it's for. And yeah, everything goes in the right direction. I hope that you are all still drawing and painting and working on your crafts and just having fun, of course. Yeah, that you don't forget to enjoy all that, you know, because that's really about the enjoyment. All right. Did I forget anything? Thanks for your attention. I wish you all a wonderful weekend. Make sure to keep an eye on Instagram for the live stream. I will post it there in my story always before I go live. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the ArtZone community. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and enjoy growing in your artistic abilities together with us. All right, take care, have a good day, and see you soon. Ciao, ciao.